Very good evening, friends. I'm Nalini Swami. Welcoming to my channel. Just I want to present you what happened in the market. Nifty, how Nalini Precision Engine and Nalini Lorentz system and hourly X-ray candles will help you to trade with precision. I am on the 2 minutes time frame just to show the how on an hourly basis you can catch the move very early. Catch the move very early, you can see. I was able to notice the change here. This is the third hour, the 11:43, and the hour closed at 12:50. Next hour started forming. This is the block of next hour. These are the X-ray candles. X-ray candles of the next hourly candle. So when I started noticed, I had applied, this is the Nalini Lorentz system. Nalini Lorentz system gives you range filter, swing high and swing low. Let me move to visual order, send to bank. Okay. Now you can see very clearly I have made this. Now, if you see that this is the range filter, exactly around 12:21, the market price, the candle started closing below this. Okay, closing below the range filter, and already it is hourly open of next hour, fifth hour. It started showing weakness, falling below this one, and the swing high is here. And the swing, it has broken above the swing high and moved to the top. And there it started. It started closing below the 12:15 after the next hour, hourly fifth hour open. The purple color line is the fifth hour open. It started falling below and the market started moving down. This is the range filter. The price action was below this, and this is the hourly open of the fourth hour. Fourth hour, right? The almost it came down to the fourth hour. So for that, from that area, it was just a small pullback, but the market continued down. And you can see this entire block. If it is solid block, these are the solid red candle, hourly red candle. Here, the market pulling up is a wick actually. This is a wick. I'll change it to hourly and I'll show it to you. This is a wick and market started its down move again. It started falling below the Nalini. It range swing low. The market broke down below the swing low, and this is the swing high of the Lorentz system and completely hourly internal range filter too. Then losing its balance, it came down all the way to 24,052 Nalini Lorentz system. Here hourly open is here and the market hourly range low is here. The market almost came down to the place and they have filled the gap and they are back to the level from where they have started. Yesterday, they had closed around 24,024. 24,024, and the market closed down as if nothing has happened. Nothing has happened, market closed down. So alternating green candle with a red candle. It started above, and the candle close will be the previous day close is a green candle here. Let me change the color. This is the green candle. make it little dark so that, and this candle is today's candle is a red candle closing almost coming to 24,037. You can see closing at the bottom. The presentation of the candle is like that. It is if you combine these two candles, you will get a candle formation like this. Entire thing is a wick. Let me change the color to green. Entire thing is a wick. So what can happen is on Monday, the price can open above this. Again, it may try to move higher. Because this is the candle. Combining both the candles, we are getting this candle. So the probably if it opens above this candle, like this, it can move like this. So this is the play what is happening in the market. Maybe short covering rally may push the market to again to 24,216, 61 or 24,213. At the same time, I was keenly watching the Nalini 24,200 put. When I saw the weakness, keenly watching these are the hourly candles, X-ray candles, and the price is moving along. This is the wick, solid red candle, solid red candle with, see, let me draw the candles here. The total hourly candle here. If I draw the candle here, one by one, let me make it as a red candle because it is a red candle and it was like this. Price action is like this. This is a red candle. Again, it is totally solid red candle with a very less wick. Wick at the bottom, small wick at the bottom, small wick at the top. And this is a seller candle. And this candle, this hourly candle, engulfing candle. See, it moved below this almost, it is engulfing. Let me check the low of this candle. Low is 85, 82, and this is an engulfing candle like this. Indicating the presence of big player. The market was coming down and all these sellers were trapped in this candle, hourly candle, fifth hour, 12:20. So 12:20 is the time of London session open and other time frame traders were waiting for the premium to sell, short the indices so that they will cash the premium. They can write the calls because call moved to 300, 24,100 to 24,000, around 300 rupees, 250 to 300 rupees. Then it is a very good premium for them to short it and it's indicated the reversal. By visually you can see this is the Lawrence system swing low. Lawrence system swing low is moving higher and swing high is moving higher and it is the breakout of the range. This is the area from where breakout happened. breakout level, and the market blasted. Market blasted and it took away all these sellers. All the put writers were trapped. All the put writers were trapped and market moved higher to 174 and closed at 160. This is how you can catch even before closing. I'll show you with the Nalini Precision Indicator. I'll hide this one. I'm enabling the Nalini Precision Indicator. You can clearly make out the movement. The buy signals are triggered. Why? Because the pivot is turning blue. Price is closing above the Gann low. That is an indication. And this hourly block is becoming green. That means it is green. It itself, by visually you can see with the hourly X-ray candles, you can see. Later, this is the wick. The market moved higher. It happens. This is a wick of the hourly candle. So the hourly candle stood like this. Next hourly candle stood like a green color candle like this and with the wick. And the price moved from the bottom. There is no wick. Open is equal to low. Open is equal to low. Hourly candle is open is equal to low and this is the wick. So if you combine this and if I put a wick to this, okay, if I merge these two hourly things and if I merge, it is a dozy type of candle. Dozy type of candle with the body. And this is the wick. 2 hours candle is a big solid candle with wick at the bottom and the wick at the top. And price closing above the close and below the wick. This is how so beautifully Nalini Precision Engine, Nalini Lorentz system and hourly X-ray candles will make you thorough in taking the trade. It is precision trading, not random. Not random or anything. I have stopped watching the OI data. OI data is like a metabolism of the body. It will be in the constant. The data will not be fed to the retailers. It will not be updated to the retailers instantly. You cannot read it. Even to read the data, it needs artificial intelligence brain. It should be very quick, like algo. You need to read the data. It is not possible, and that data is not provided to the retail traders. To trap this is happening in the market, and to avoid this, you can trade with my Nalini Precision Engine. No need to see the data, no need to go to any other website, pay money for the fetching the open interest data. Even though some brokers are providing the OI data, they are not competent enough. They are not refreshing automatically, and live fraction of a second data is not given to the people, retail traders. So friends, this is how without any data, with the price action, because Nalini Precision Engine is the price action. Is the price action, you are not going to read it, and the precision engine reads the data, live price action, and fetches it and provides it in front of you. And it tells that I am in the strength, you go long, I am the weak, you go short. This is how it gives you message. So friends, if you want to access these indicators, Nalini Precision Engine, as well as Nalini Lawrence system, you can message me on this WhatsApp number 984529600. It is paid indicator. If you WhatsApp me, I can give the details. Thank you very much, friends. Nalini Swami signing off.